Yard miles from a plan.
Let's go!
Isang exciting at heartwarming celebrity update ang pinag-uusapan ngayon online matapos i-confirm ni Alex Gonzaga ang isa sa pinakahihintay na balita ng kanyang fans. Yes, Alex Gonzaga is pregnant. Matapos ang ilang linggo or almost a month ng spekulasyon at online guessing game ng mga netizens. Finally ay opisyal na kinumpirma ni Alex at ng kanyang husband na si Mikey Morada ang kanilang pregnancy journey. Agad namang bumaha ang congratulations at emotional reactions mula sa fans at fellow celebrities, lalo na't marami ang matagal nang sumusubaybay sa kanilang journey. Mas naging touching pa ang announcement na ibinahagi ni Alex ang kanyang heartfelt message sa social media. Caption niya, after almost 6 years of marriage and 3 heartbreaking losses, we never lost faith and continue to surrender everything to the Lord. While preparing for IVF, the Lord Jesus blessed us with a natural pregnancy. We want to thank everyone who prayed with us, hoped with us, and supported us through this journey to becoming parents. By God's grace, our prayers have been answered, and we are finally going to be mommy and daddy. The Lord Jesus truly answers prayers. Please continue praying with us for a safe and healthy pregnancy until our baby arrives. Simple pero ramdam ang happiness at gratitude sa kanyang mensahe, dahilan kung bakit marami ang talagang naantig sa balitang ito. At syempre may tanong na agad ang mga netizens. Kanino kaya magmamana si baby? Sa humor at kulit ni Alex o sa calm personality ni Mikey? Congratulations kina Alex Gonzaga at Mikey Morada. At para sa iba pang celebrity news and entertainment update, stay tuned mga ka-scoopers at huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe. Thank you!